Hey guys, welcome back. So another track by Perma this time. So we're in the YZ West course. Fortunately, I believe this is another track that's closed down and no longer used. However, it looks like it has been replaced with YZ East, which is still used for drifting. But in any case, we're going to stick to YZ West. We're also back in the E36 again. So with that, let's jump in. All right, so like I said, in the E36, start in the car park. So I wasn't sure of the direction initially. I was actually going the wrong way, and I checked the video, and it looks like, yeah, like I said, I went the wrong way, and it's actually this direction. So you got two, or you come down the main straight, sorry, and then this is turn one, so you got two options. You can go the inside there, or come around the outside here. Just then join back up here, do a flick, and then back into a hairpin, which comes back around on itself this way. Bit of a straight to another hairpin with a wall, which I'm definitely going to hit that. And then you got another bit of a straight, goes off to the left, and around the final corner, and back onto the straight. Alright, so in third, we'll try the outside, so fourth. Try and build up speed. Drop it back to third, you get to the corner. Look at one way, and then the other. And try and keep it going. Locked up the front. I do struggle with that corner. And then around the final turn. Alright, try and build up some speed, so I'll stick third this time and go the inside. I didn't take that angle very good actually, but alright, see if I can do it a bit different this time. Try and hold second. Third. Couldn't link it, but I feel like the rear's off on the grass there. Alright, let's reset after that. Alright, fourth. Let's see if we can get it all the way to the outside again. Back to third. Keep it through there. Keep up the wall. Just going to bash second. I'm going to rotate too far. So I did already try and make this video, but I forgot to record it. So this is actually my second attempt at doing this. I went to fourth, thinking I was going to do the outside, but should try and do the inside, so just did that too far. I probably should have put power down to try and drive the car out of that corner there. No. Must have been in 6, not reversed then. That actually says on the dash. I didn't think of looking at that. Second, third. Too far out. Alright, let's try the outside again. Clutch kick. This is a bit wrong angle. think I'm starting to push the brake too hard now. I'm just locking up the front. Slid that too far and just went out in the grass. Keep second gear along there. So like I said in the intro, this is made by Perma. Keep checking his tracks because I think he makes I like his mods, like good quality ones. Keep that out. There we go. That's a bit better. Except I fell too far out of the revs. Like just the trees everywhere helps add to the immersion of the tracks. Like I really think that helps in VR, which I've said multiple times before. We've just got to kind of leave him on the layouts correct. Alright, let's try the outside again. So yeah, fourth down to third. Try and use the clutch to get the roads back up. Ah, the back hit. So I like that he adds the buildings and the pits and everything, like that all helps. And you can kind of see it, there's a road that goes up there against the wall. And it actually goes behind the hill, like the access road, you actually modeled it quite far. Oh, my tire's cooked again. Alright, we went the outside last time, so let's go the inside. Just hold it flat and try and push the car through. Keep it going. So I find it quite difficult to see in VR, but normally when I'm editing the video after, it's really clear. I can't see when the tires are starting to wear out and they start to go yellow in that little display that comes up, but you definitely feel, well, unless it's a placebo, you definitely feel a lack of traction. Skip the corner I don't like and slide off the track. We'll do 2 more laps and that's it. So what did I go on the outside? So I'll go inside. Remember to leave it in third this time. Probably should go out wider. I do think that is my favourite part of my track, is that entry. And I do have kind of been noticing that with Japanese tracks. I'm going to stop backing, put it back into the wall. I guess that's normally one kind of feature of the track that everyone likes. So like Ibisu North's obviously got the corner at the end of the main straight. Also fourth, hold it out, come off on the dirt, and spun it. I'm going to try that one more time. Yeah, and on this track it's the same, so it's turn 1 after the main straight. It's kind of the feature, I guess, of this track. So fourth. Try and keep the revs up. And actually get the car where I want to put it. I don't know if I've actually got this corner correct once yet. I'm just going to limit a bash second until I get past it. Just a little bit. Yeah, so that was a few laps of YZ West. I do enjoy this track as well, another one. It's fun, different. Like I said, turn one, whichever way you take it, it's definitely the highlight. This hairpin's okay, really not a fan of this other one. I was basically probably because I was struggling with it. And then, yeah, I don't mind the last corner, it just seems nice and fairly long. You can just hold it there and get prepared for the next, run of the track. With that, thanks for watching, guys.